Welcome to my channel, where we talk about all things passive income. Unless TikTok gets banned, in which case we'll be talking about all things active panic. Yes, if you're one of the many TikTok creators out there relying on the platform for your passive income, the potential ban is no laughing matter. But hey, let's try to keep it light, shall we? Today, we're going to take a look at some of the passive income streams that could be affected by a TikTok ban and explore some alternatives to help you keep the cash flowing. So sit back, relax, and let's see what the future holds. Or doesn't, if you're a TikTok influencer. In this video, we'll explore those potential impacts and suggest some alternatives to consider. Section 1. Affiliate marketing. One popular passive income stream that could be affected by the TikTok ban is affiliate marketing. Many TikTok influencers have been able to generate significant income by promoting products through affiliate links. With TikTok potentially going away, these influencers will need to find other platforms to promote their affiliate products. One alternative to consider is Instagram, which also has a large influencer community and supports affiliate marketing. Section 2. Sponsored content. Another passive income stream that could be impacted by the TikTok ban is sponsored content. Brands have been using TikTok to reach younger audiences and partnering with influencers to create sponsored content. If TikTok goes away, these brands will need to find other channels to promote their products. As an influencer, it's important to diversify your platforms and consider working with brands on other social media platforms such as YouTube or Twitch. Section 3. TikTok alternatives. If you're an influencer who primarily generates passive income through TikTok, it's important to start exploring other social media platforms that could potentially replace TikTok. While nothing can fully replicate the experience of TikTok, there are several platforms that offer similar features such as short-form video content and a large user base. Some alternatives to consider include Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Triller. Section 4. E-commerce sales. Another passive income stream that could be impacted by the TikTok ban is e-commerce sales. Many TikTok influencers have been able to sell their own products through the platform or through other e-commerce sites. If TikTok goes away, these influencers will need to find other channels to promote their products and reach their audience. One alternative to consider is creating your own website and using social media platforms to drive traffic to your site. Section 5. Digital products. If you're an influencer who creates digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables, it's important to start exploring other platforms to sell your products. While TikTok has been a great platform for promoting digital products, there are other channels such as YouTube and Instagram that can also be effective. Additionally, you could consider creating your own website and using social media platforms to drive traffic to your site. Section 6. Advertising revenue. If you're a content creator who generates passive income through advertising revenue, the potential TikTok ban could have a significant impact on your earnings. TikTok has been a lucrative platform for many content creators, but if the ban goes into effect, they will need to find other channels to monetize their content. Some alternatives to consider include YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook, which also offer advertising revenue opportunities for content creators. Section 7. Brand deals. In addition to sponsored content, many influencers generate passive income through brand deals. With TikTok potentially going away, these influencers will need to find other channels to work with brands and promote their products. As an influencer, it's important to have a diverse range of social media platforms and to build relationships with brands across multiple channels. Section 8. Live streaming. Live streaming has become a popular way for content creators to generate passive income through tips, donations, and sponsorships. Many TikTok influencers have been able to generate significant income through TikTok's live streaming feature. If TikTok goes away, these influencers will need to find other channels to live stream on. Some alternatives to consider include Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, which also offer live streaming opportunities for content creators. Section 9. Merchandise sales. Many TikTok influencers have been able to sell merchandise to their fans through the platform or through other e-commerce sites. If TikTok goes away, these influencers will need to find other channels to promote their merchandise and reach their audience. One alternative to consider is creating your own website and using social media platforms to drive traffic to your site. Additionally, you could consider partnering with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify or Etsy to sell your merchandise. Section 10. Membership programs. Membership programs have become a popular way for content creators to generate recurring revenue from their fans. Many TikTok influencers have been able to create membership programs through TikTok's Creator Fund or through other third-party platforms. If TikTok goes away, these influencers will need to find other channels to create membership programs. Some alternatives to consider include Patreon, OnlyFans, and Substack. Section 11. Online courses. Online courses have become a popular way for influencers to share their expertise and generate passive income. Many TikTok influencers have been able to promote their online courses through the platform and generate significant income. If TikTok goes away, these influencers will need to find other channels to promote their online courses. One alternative to consider is creating your own website and using social media platforms to drive traffic to your site. Additionally, you could partner with online course platforms such as Udemy or Teachable to promote your courses. Section 12. Ad revenue sharing programs. Many social media platforms offer ad revenue sharing programs for content creators. These programs allow creators to earn a percentage of the ad revenue generated from their content. TikTok has a creator fund that allows eligible creators to earn money based on their content's performance. If TikTok goes away, these creators will need to find other channels to earn ad revenue. Some alternatives to consider include YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook, which also offer ad revenue sharing programs for content creators. The TikTok ban, if implemented in a particular region, can indeed affect passive income influencers who rely on TikTok as a source of revenue. TikTok has become an important platform for social media influencers, particularly those who specialize in short-form video content. These influencers typically earn money through brand deals, sponsored content, and other forms of monetization on the platform. If TikTok is banned in a particular region, influencers who have built their following on the platform may lose a significant portion of their audience, which can lead to a reduction in their overall earnings. Additionally, many influencers use TikTok as a way to cross-promote their content on other social media platforms, so a ban can affect their visibility on other platforms as well. However, it's worth noting that TikTok is not the only platform available for social media influencers to earn money from. Influencers can diversify their income streams by using other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. They can also explore alternative revenue streams such as affiliate marketing, product sales, and paid memberships. It's also worth noting that TikTok bans are not permanent and can be lifted over time. For example, in 2020, the US government attempted to ban TikTok due to concerns over data privacy and security. However, the ban was not enforced, and the app continued to operate in the US while negotiations between TikTok's parent company and the US government continued. Therefore, it's possible that a TikTok ban may only be temporary, and influencers can resume their activities on the platform once the ban is lifted. In the meantime, they can explore other platforms and revenue streams to continue building their brand and generating income. In conclusion, while the potential TikTok ban may be concerning for content creators who rely on the platform for passive income, there are many alternative channels to explore. As an influencer, it's important to diversify your platforms and consider building a presence across multiple channels. By doing so, you can ensure that you have a range of income streams and can adapt to changes in the social media landscape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.